Sam is swinging at her swing at this park. As she swings, the distance from the ground varies simultaneously with time. It takes 3 seconds from where Sam is to reach the top, and 8 seconds to swing back and forth. The swing is 16 feet high and 2 feet off the ground.
So first, we have to draw the sinusoidal function using the cosine graph. Since it takes 3 seconds for Sam, or me, to reach the highest point, and since the height of the swing is 16 feet, our first point on the graph is 360. So
it takes 8 seconds for Sam to swing back and forth. So since the height was at 16 feet and 3 seconds, 3 plus 8 is 11. So the next highest point in the graph would be 11:16.
since the swing is 2 feet high off the ground, it starts here, and to find the middle point, we have to find the average of 16 and 2, which is 9.
To find the low point of this function, you're going to take the average between these two numbers to find the midpoint. That is 7. Then you're going to go to 7, 2, and this is going to be the low point of your function. We're going to use a sine curve, so our highest points will be here, go down, and come back up. To write the function of this line, we're going to start with y equals. We're going to use the cosine curve for this graph. So leave a little space and write cosine, and then we're going to do parentheses. Next, we're going to use the period. The period is the distance from here to here, which is 8. To find the interval length, we're going to use 2 pi over 8, which reduces to pi over 4. Then we're going to have x minus 3, since this graph is shifted over 3. Then we're going to add 9.
To find the last part, the amplitude, we have to find the difference between 16 and 9 and 9 and 2. So that is 7. This means the highest point and the difference from it.
To predict the height, you're going to type in this function into your calculator in the y equals. So that's what it's going to look like. And then you're going to hit second table on your graphing calculator, and you're going to type in the following. So put in 1 for the y, and you should get 9 feet. When you put in 15, you get 2 feet. For 1 minute, you have to put in 60 seconds, because in 1 minute, there's 60 seconds. So put 60, and you get 13.95 feet.